Hello everyone and welcome, and today we are going to have a birthday conversation. Birthday conversation. Emboozi ku lunaku lw'amazaalibwa. So birthday is olunaku lw'amazaalibwa. Olunaku lw'amazaalibwa. Okay, let's start. Hello Dad. Good morning. Hello Dad. Good morning. Remember we looked at greetings in English and Luganda. So hello Dad. Good morning. Wasuze otya tata. Wasuze otya tata. And the dad replies, good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Wasuze otya, assuming the name is Tara. Wasuze otya Tara. If it was Mike, wasuze otya Mike. Good morning to you. Wasuze otya plus the name. Okay, let's proceed. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. And this in Luganda is Leero lunaku lwange olw'amazaalibwa. Leero lunaku lwange olw'amazaalibwa. Oh, happy birthday, Tara. Oh, happy birthday, Tara. Oh, olunaku olulungi olw'amazaalibwa, Tara. Oh, olunaku olulungi olw'amazaalibwa, Tara. Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Dad. Weebale, Taata. Weebale, Taata. My birthday gift. My birthday gift. Ekirabo kyange eky'amazaalibwa. So he's requesting for a birthday gift. My birthday gift is ekirabo kyange eky'amazaalibwa. I have brought for you a teddy bear. I have brought for you a teddy bear. Inze nkuguliddeyo dole. So teddy bear in Luganda is dole. And normally children use it when playing, especially girls. Inze nkuguliddeyo dole. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, nga nnungi nnyo. Oh, nga nnungi nnyo. Thank you so much, Dad. Thank you so much, Dad. Weebale nnyo, Taata. Weebale nnyo, Taata. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. Weebale kusiima. So this you are welcome is you're responding to someone who has said thank you. You are welcome. Weebale kusiima. Weebale kusiima. Okay. And I'm taking you for ice cream. And I'm taking you for ice cream. Era ngenda kutwala ku ice cream. Era ngenda kutwala ku ice cream. Really? Let me dress up quickly. Really? Let me dress up quickly, like you're putting on other clothes. Really? Let me dress up quickly. Okakasa. Kanyambale mangu. Okakasa. Kanyambale mangu. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Inze nkulinze. Inze nkulinze. implying that you're waiting for him or her to dress up. Inze nkulinze. I'm coming, Dad. I'm coming, Dad. I'm coming, Dad. Inzija, Tata. Inzija, Tata. If it was mom, you would say Inzija, Mama. If brother, Inzija, Baba. The elder sister or brother, Inzija, Baba. So here it's I'm coming, Dad. Inzija, Tata. Okay, let's proceed. Here I am. Let's go. Here I am. Let's go. Here I am. Let's go. Inze nzuno tugende. Inze inzuno tugende. Okay, please. Okay, please. Kale bambi. Kale bambi. Okay. Thanks very much for watching and loving my videos. Bye bye. Wait up.